Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. This is Windows. These are Windows default applications. Today we are going to learn MS Paint. Step 1. Click Start button. All apps. Windows Accessories. Paint. Close. Step 2. Click Start button again. Click Paint from Start. Close. Step 3. Click Start button. Type Paint at search box. Paint. Close. Step 4. Click Start button. Write Run at search box. Click Run. Write MS Paint at Run box. Press Enter. Close. Step 5. Press Wing key plus R. Write MS Paint at Run box. OK. This is Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can find Save, Undo, Redo and other options. This is Title. Here is Minimize, Maximize or Restore Down and Close button. This is File menu. Here you can get New, Open, Save, Print and more options. This is Ribbon menu. Here is Group-wise many tools like Copy, Paste, Select, Resize, Pencil, Text, Different type brush, Shapes, like line, curve, oval, rectangle and more. Size. Colors. Here you can change both color 1 and 2 as your choice. Keep always color 1 black and color 2 white as default. Also you can make your custom color from here. This is View Ribbon menu. Here you can zoom in or out the drawing screen. You can on or off the rulers bar and status bar. Also you can full screen the display. To end the full screen, press Escape key. Go to Home Ribbon menu. This is Drawing area. Here you can draw images. It can be maximized as your choice or resolution. Simply hold the resize option and drag. Or, go to Resize tool, and type horizontal or vertical percentage, or pixels. Here is Minimize, Maximize or Restore Down and Close button. This Minimize button minimizes the screen to the taskbar. The screen can be restored by clicking on the paint icon in the taskbar. Restore Down button makes the screen small and bigger. Close button help to close the application and also help to save the task. If you draw anything that important to save, then save it by name, or you can click Do Not Save button. This is the introduction of MS Paint. You can now open MS Paint and check by own. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel. And click on bell icon for more updates. See you in the next tutorial.